All right. We arrived at the location. Got Bianx. We got goes down in the back. And okay, I'm in the car driving, and I'm gonna have a look at this. Oh, yeah, mate. So we're at the Salt Lakes in the outback, and look at that. Wow, it's a bit of a sneak peek of the location shooting. I'll be in the middle of the lake, with dancing with the guitar, and we'll get you updated. But that's the location has been revealed. Salt Lakes in the outback of Australia, with Sister Bianx and my mum, Gostana. All right, she's waving. Yeah,